I heard a loud boom sound this morning around 4:30. I didn't know what it was. I didn't bother getting up, but when I did wake up, I heard that there was an explosion on the northwest side, and this is on the opposite side of town. This is on Gessner and the Beltway. As you can see the map here, where the building exploded, and we stayed right here with this arrow at in Summerwood. So this almost on the opposite side of town. So when I woke up, I seen a lot of people on the next door out also said that they heard a loud boom. I thought I was crazy, but this is some comments from other people. So that explosion had to be really bad. And when I turned on the news, I noticed that people windows were blown out and also had some damages to their doors, and they were told to evacuate. So I keep you updated on more information, and if you have any information, leave it in the comments below.
We actually reached out to both HISD and Spring Branch ISD to let them know what was going on so they can monitor and assess. And I can tell you, I've talked to Dr. Lathan at HISD, and their operations are normal. Obviously, if there's any schools that may be impacted, bus routes may be impacted in terms of delays, but they should be, HISD at least will be operating normally. Well, to protect the property, and they make sure that we keep our firefighters safe and do not have any locals come here and interfere with their ongoing operation.
Right. So we have plenty of fire department crews out here, police department crews out here. It's an active scene. They're going to be driving around. Again, we ask and urge the public that if they don't have to be out in this area, don't come out. Again, I just want to reiterate, we have no reports of any hazardous atmospheres in the air at this point, okay? We're going to continue monitoring. The scene at the location is still active. We're still in the process of securing the pipes that are supplying product into the area that was damaged. And as soon as that's done, we'll be able to get in there, do our primary or secondary assessment, and then we can have additional information for you all.